Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you're new, my name is Monica. I love music. I sing and dance since I was very young. I still dance nowadays. You can find some different videos on my channel, not only reaction. But today I come here to react to what Chenyu, one name just called my attention right away. It is Light Bonfire at the End of the Universe. I'm a little bit nerd with astronomy, so I want to know what it's about. I know he's not gonna talk about stars. Well, I don't know. I'm not gonna try to keep on guessing. I'm going straight to the video. One more thing before. Some people said they could not post the link in the comments. I don't know the reason. Some people can, some people cannot. YouTube just decided. So I'm gonna post my second Instagram account on the first comment. So if you cannot put the link, and it helps me a lot to find the right video, you can post on my Instagram. I posted pictures from the singers and you can leave a suggestion with the link in the comments. And now, yeah, the music. Before the video, if you like my reactions, thumbs up, subscribe, it's for free. If you want to help me to improve my channel, there is a button called Super Thank. You can help with less than 50 cents of dollars. That being said, let's go. I'm very curious to watch this one. In 3, 2, 1. That's the He's the composer.
忘掉天空纷扰，跑起来吧，奔向星河的情侣。放肆的欢笑，装进10000岁月里，做颗悠然的星宿。荒郊之中舞蹈。 星辰野草造出无边的天地，这地球太小，像座唤醒的孤岛，谁会在这儿终老？当人类悬浮到不朽，而谁愿追随？ 彗星漂流，而篝火在银河尽头，点燃宇宙。跳吧，在无比宏大的星系，跑吧，要沉迷洪荒的美丽。
I like him so much.
心一瞬燃烧，提醒我们告别沉寂的天地。在拥挤人潮，我也清晰地看到一座斑斓的宇宙。
Okay. Wait. Okay. I don't like to be scared with loud noises. Yeah, my son always laughed when something like that happened. But let's pretend that nothing happened. I just stopped to comment that I like the song very much. And I feel like I'm in a concert with a crowd. I would love to see him live. So, let's continue.
离开地表，才能找到盘旋爬升的动力。快掌心拥抱，好过孤单的旅行，别再固执到老。但人类都环绕星球。 更愿追随彗星漂流，爱篝火在银河尽头，点燃宇宙。哦哦哦，我们跳拔在无比宏大的星系网，它要沉迷洪荒的美丽网，飞吧去寻觅红色的流星网，让我们小动。
I could try to count and remember how many songs I remember in some parts. I was not expecting the song to be so, let's say, light and heavy, not like too totally crazy or a sad song. I never heard something like that. There are so many things together that, yeah, my brain needs to process. He's unique. He do his own music. I cannot say he's a rock star or a pop star. He just do his own have his own style, and I like it very much. He interacted with the crowd, and it looks like I'm in a concert with everybody else, and yeah. If you have more suggestions, leave in the comment. If you're not able to, check my Instagram and you can send me any link that you want me to react. And if it is a new artist, you can send me a DM. I'm gonna put in order. One day I will go live, or I can do one by one, once a week. I don't know yet. But for now, that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna see you all in the next one. Bye bye.